Welcome back to YouTube channel, and today we are going to discuss an interesting topic and the basic topic in chemistry, that's physical change and chemical change. I think what is physical change and chemical change. Physical change means just there is no changes in the property of that object or in chemical property of the object, there is just change of shape and size. That's almost wrong, because physical change means there is no new substance formed in the change. A change where no new substance is formed is known as physical change, and chemical change means a change where new substance is formed. Here some of the examples. There are some of the examples of both physical change and chemical change. First, when we come to physical change, there is a breaking glass, mixing candles, shredding the paper or shredding the paper, it means tearing the paper, and folding the paper. And these are the physical change where no new substance is formed. And when it comes to chemical change, iron rusting, burning, cooking an egg, baking a cake, these are the chemical change, because we can't see that any old substance are there are everything new substance are formed. When iron rusts, some of the powder is left out in the iron, and when burnt, the ash is left out, and when you cook the egg, the liquid thing, everything is gone. And when you bake a cake, the mold will be gone and it converts into a bread or something else which you need. It's completely formation of new substance in the chemical change, and physical change is different from chemical change where no new substance is formed. Now let's go to the main topic by knowing the definition and properties of physical change and chemical change. First one, physical change. Physical change means, as I already told, a change where no new product is formed, or a change which involves change in physical properties. That's it. Here in the physical change, there is change in the only physical properties. Here there is an example that a paper is folded. Here the paper is folded, there is no new substance is formed or nothing, just paper is folded. This is a physical change. And there is a two beakers where one beaker has ice and other beaker has water. Both are water molecules itself, but it can exist in all three states without changing its physical or chemical composition, Here the main physical change means there is no change in the chemical composition of the object. Here ice has same water molecules and water has same molecules, and when it comes to water vapor, that also has same molecules. Here there is just change in state, not in chemical composition of the water. Next, properties of physical change. Here no new substance is formed. Most of the physical change are reversible change. Not all physical change are reversible change, because when you take a carrot and cut it, you may get the pieces of carrot, but we can't join the carrot again, or any vegetable which you take, you can't join it again. It's just reversible change. Some of these are reversible change in physical change. And here the chemical property of the substance remains same. Here the chemical property of the substance remains same. This physical change also may cause change in color, shape, size and state. This may cause any change in color or shape or size and state. Next, no energy is liberated. It means no energy is released. During physical change, there is no energy released, because no new substance is formed to release any new energy. So in the physical change, there is no new substance is formed, so no energy is liberated. Next, chemical change. Chemical change is a change where new product is formed, and a chemical change involves change in chemical properties. Here are the two examples of images. First one, there is an iron rusting, and second one, it is burning. These are the two examples of any chemical change. Now let's know about the properties of chemical change. Here in the properties of chemical change, it may produce heat, light or sound. Any of the factor is produced during the chemical change. and production of not gases is not present in the reactants. Here no gas production is present in the reactants. It means before changing it, before chemical change, there is no production of gas. And next, there is a permanent change in color in the chemical change. Once the color has changed, so it can't retain its original color. Production of precipitate. It's not possible in every case, but most of the chemical change gives us precipitate. Precipitate means a insoluble solid. It may be in any color, most probably it will be in the white color. A insoluble solid, that is called as precipitate. This about this precipitate, what are the soluble and insoluble solids, you will learn in the chemical reactions chapter. And next, there is a change in odor or taste. It means there will be a change in smell of the object or reactant, and there will be change in the taste if you can taste it. And change in density. Here the density of the reactant and the product, or the product which is before chemical change and after chemical change, has different density, and there is a change in temperature of the object before chemical change and after the chemical change. It means before it was having some amount of temperature, after the chemical change it may have some more temperature or less temperature. These are the some common properties of chemical change and physical change. So I hope you have got the information, basic information about the physical change and the chemical change. So thank you. Please like this video, share and subscribe to our channel, that's Study to IT. Have a great day.